A very good morning to everyone. I hope everyone is safe and fine at home. Children, in the online class we have studied about a grammar, okay, like topic about nouns, okay. We have studied about that. Noun is a naming word, and also we have finished 2 worksheets based on that, okay. Let us see for the third worksheet, okay. The worksheet number 3 is what kind of nouns. So let us first describe it, that there are 2 types of nouns, okay. One is common noun and one is proper noun. So what is common noun here? Okay, first remember that there are 2 kinds of noun which we are going to learn in this, okay. And also in the worksheets there are 2 only, common and proper noun, okay. So these nouns, okay, are nothing but, now common noun, coming to common noun children, we call it commonly, okay, like group of people, man, woman, boy, girl. We are not specifying any name over here, okay. Just we are showing that it is a noun, boy, okay, boy, it is a noun, isn't it? But are we specifying any name, that like Ram, Sham? No, we are not specifying. So if we are not specifying any noun there, if they are in a group, okay, so that is called a common noun. Common as in which we use commonly. Like for city, there are many cities. Do you know which city I am talking about? No. So here city is a common noun here, because we are using that city word to everyone, to every city, like this, because there are many cities, okay. But if I specify Sholapur city, that means you get to know that which city I am talking about. So common noun is nothing but, children, we use it commonly for everyone, okay. And proper noun is nothing but we specify the name of a person, okay, place, animal and thing. Like he has a dog, his name is Moti. So Moti is a proper noun here, because they have mentioned that it is a dog. Here dog is a common noun. But in the another sentence, what they have told here, that what is the name of that dog? It is no more dog here. They have mentioned the name now, and the name of that dog is Moti. Okay. So proper noun is nothing but where we specify, okay, name of that person, place, animal or thing. And in common noun we talk about common things, like there are many flowers. Do you know which flowers? No. There was a bunch of flowers. Do you know which flowers were there in the bunch? No. There was a bunch of rose flowers. So now you get to know that rose is a proper noun, and you understand that what I am talking about. Okay, so this was nothing about what kind of nouns, that is common noun and proper noun. So children, here I am just sharing a short video to you all, that what is basically a common noun and proper noun, with proper visualization and examples, so that you can understand that what it is.
The general name of a person, place, animal or a thing is a common noun. For example, he is a clown. In this sentence, we are talking about a clown. Clown is a general name for the person. They live in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about a city. City is a general name for the place. It is his dog. In this sentence, we are talking about a dog. Dog is a general name for the animal. This is a pastry. In this sentence, we are talking about a pastry. Pastry is a general name for the thing. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Special names given to people, places, pets, days, months, organizations, etc. are proper nouns. For example, John, the clown, entertains people in a circus. In this sentence, we are talking about John, the clown. John is a special name for the clown. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, we are talking about Mumbai, a city. Mumbai is the special name for the city. His dog's name is Pluto. In this sentence, we are talking about Pluto the dog. Pluto is the special name for the dog. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. The special name given to a country, city, road, river, mountain, monument, festival, etc. is a proper noun. All the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. For example, my uncle lives in New Zealand. The Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. My school is on Mahatma Gandhi Road.
So children, this is your worksheet number 3, topic 2, worksheet number 3. What kind of noun? Okay, they are asking us only because they have put a question mark over here, and also they have mentioned here that common nouns are everyday names that we use for place and things, like commonly we use it, as I told you. Then proper noun is a special name given to a particular person, like for example, what is your name? Okay, my name is Nazish. So Nazish is a proper noun. It is a special name which is given to me. Okay, then place or thing. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Yes children, this is an important note, that always a proper noun, because it is a name, it is a special name, okay, of a person, place or thing, okay, that will always start with a capital letter. And common noun, okay, that only the sentence which begins, okay, will start with a capital letter, rest all will be in the common. You are not going to start with capital letter, only the first word of that sentence. Then examples also they have given here. Common noun, persons, but when it comes to proper noun, when we are specifying it, Mahatma Gandhi, Virat Kohli, so you get an idea that we are talking about Mahatma Gandhi and the cricketer Virat Kohli. Then rivers. Now which rivers we don't know when we come to common noun, but when we specify Yamuna and Ganga, you get to know that we are talking about the river Ganga and river Yamuna. Okay, then about buildings. Can you tell me about which building? Is it building which you are living in? It is a building which your aunt living in? No, we don't know. But when they have specified it in proper noun, Taj Mahal and Charminar. Okay, so these are the wonders. Then mountains. Do you know which mountains? No, but when it comes to proper noun, they are mentioning it here. Himalayas and Aravalis. These are the two mountains. Okay, so this was a brief description about what is a common and proper noun, children. And let us solve this. You can do this, you can take this as a homework. Okay, it is a very easy one. Like common noun is school, girl, teacher, movie, country, car, city and chocolate. Now what we have to do is school. So in a proper noun, you are going to write name of your school. For example, your name of the school is KLE, okay, English Medium School, isn't it? So you are going to write your school name, isn't it? Now your school, did you know which school? No, even I didn't know which school. But when I have written here in proper noun name of the school, this specified, okay, that here KLE English Medium School, that you study in KLE English Medium School. Now girl, they have already done here Radha and Neha. Now teacher, you can write any of your class teacher's name, any of your subject teacher's name which you like. Okay, for example, your class teacher's name I will write it here. Okay, Vaishali ma'am. Okay, if you wish to write any other teacher's name also which you like it, which is your favorite teacher, you can also write that. The name of the movie, okay, for example Cars, that animated movie, okay, you can write that, okay, or any other your favorite animated movie, you can specify it or write it here. Then country, okay, you stay in India, name of your country is India, okay. Then car, which car do you like? So I like basically a Renault Duster, so I am going to specify the name over here, okay. Or you can write your own car if you are having Swift Desire, if you are having Innova, okay. So whichever car you are having or which you like it, you can write it over here. Then city, you can write it your own favorite city also which you like to visit. I like Solapur, so I am going to write it my own city, Solapur, like this. Now your favorite chocolates, you are going to specify it here, like I like 5-star, okay, so I am going to write 5-star and Cadbury. These are the two favorite chocolates of mine, so I am going to specify it like this. So this is a whole proper noun, okay. You are going to see this common noun and complete this proper noun according to your own choice, how you like it, okay. Now the next one, children, okay, is the worksheet number 4. This is a very creative and very good worksheet. What we are going to do is, in this box full of words, okay, there are many action words also, there are many different names also, there are many different kinds of words, okay, name of animals, places, name of a girl, name of a boy, then name of a state, okay, the name of countries, the name of mountains, name of things, okay, there are many animals also in this. So what we are going to do is, we are going to sort it down from this. We are going to remove the name of people, okay, place and things, and what are we going to do is, we are going to color. For example, crow. Now crow is a bird, isn't it? It is an animal. So here I am going to just color this lightly. If you want to use any light color like yellow, orange, pink, you can use it, or sky blue, which the words are visible, okay. But if you are using pencil, make sure that you do not make it very dark, okay, keep it neat, alright. Take your own time to color this, okay. If you want to use your crayons also, you can use it, but make sure that you use any light color, okay, which the words are visible. Then second one is Raghav. So Raghav here is name of a boy. So what are we going to do is, we are going to color Raghav. Okay. Now comfortable, is it a noun? No, because it is a state of being, okay. Comfortable means it is state of being comfortable, like that, but here it is not a noun. Then next, chips, okay, chips is a thing. So what are we going to do? We are going to color this. Chips is a thing, isn't it? Even you all love eating it as a snack, even I love. So we are going to color it. Make sure that you color it very lightly so that the words again are visible behind. Okay, now naughty. Okay, naughty is nothing but your quality. So this is not a naming word. Is it a naming word? Is it a name of a person, place or thing? No. Then blanket. It is a name of a thing. So what are we going to do? We are going to color this blanket again. So in this grid below, which they have given, which I am coloring, children, there are many more naming words in it. So I want you to complete this down. One I have already done for you. Okay, one I have already done to you all. One, no, I have almost done 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can understand that in this there are many, like banyan tree is there, George is there, then bulb is there, Kolkata, name of the place, then finger, then laptop, okay, and then ribbon, then Tina, dress, house, cloud, okay, then elephant, road, Mumbai, Mount Everest, tiger, India, basket, swing, playground, London, China, horse, okay, Mira and box. So these are the naming words in this grade. I have helped you out with all. Okay, so please just color it down very neatly. Okay, then next, coming to the next page, here you are going to jot down. Okay, the main important thing is searching for the nouns, that is common and proper noun. So here they have given set of 8 sentences, and from these sentences, children, here they have given us, we have to find it out from this common and proper noun. Okay, we are going to find it out, common and proper noun here. Okay, and we are going to write it in the given column. So first one, I will do it. The baker bakes yummy cakes. Okay, now your baker, already they have mentioned a profession, isn't it? Baker, one who bakes a cake. Okay, so baker, they have already mentioned a profession over here. So we are going to write it here in the proper noun. Underline it and write it in the proper noun. Okay, then bakes yummy cakes. So do you know what kind of cake he is baking? No. Pineapple cake, apple cake, then fruit cake. Do you know? No. So cake will come in a common noun. Understood, everyone? Now, the lion is the king of the jungle. Now, lion, already they have mentioned name of the animal over here. So what you are going to do is, you are going to write that lion in the proper noun column. Then, next, king of the jungle. Now, do you know what king? Where's king it is? Yes, you know that it is a king of the jungle. So you are going to write it in the proper noun here. But which jungle have they mentioned, y'all? No, they have not mentioned which jungle. So this comes in a common noun. Understood how to do it, children? So this is nothing but you are going to search for this nouns, okay, common noun and proper noun. For example, here it is New Delhi. I want you to jot down whether it is a common or a proper noun. Then India, then Mary, lamb, Mumbai, then snakes, slide, okay, then silver sand, then tree, coconuts, rose, pot, peacock and bird. So these are the nouns commonly I have underlined for you. Okay, what you are going to do is you have to just jot down in common and proper noun. Okay, I've made sort of easy for you all children that what are common and proper noun. Then the last worksheet is you need to read this passage. Okay, and we are going to identify, okay, the nouns and complete the tables below. One table is of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay, for example, Roy was an 8-year-old boy. Okay, now here name of a person they have mentioned here, Roy, isn't it? It is an 8-year-old boy here. He went to Little Steps School in Pune. Even Little Steps is a school, so here it will come in place. Little Steps School. Okay, and also Pune. Pune is also a place. So you are going to write it like this. He had many friends. Tanmay and Manya were his best friends. So these are the name of a person. So it will come here, Tanmay, okay, and Manya. You're going to write it down like this. Alright. They were his neighbors and classmates too. Roy lived with his parents and younger brother Joy. So here Roy is having a younger brother Joy. Roy loved reading books and playing cards. So here they have mentioned thing, isn't it? Book. Okay. And playing with cars. His favorite flavor of ice cream is strawberry. That means here they have mentioned the name, isn't it? Name of a thing. So strawberry. Roy had grandparents who loved him dearly. They lived in Lonavala. So Lonavala is a place. So you are going to write it here. Roy loved pets. He had a cat. You're going to write it in cat, like animal column, and a dog, okay, and parrot, okay. He had 3 pets. Wow, as a pet. So children, this is what I have completed this worksheet for you. You are going to read it. You have to jot down accordingly, okay. And what they have told here is only draw, no coloring, no color, okay, no coloring. Like draw Roy here, okay. You are going to observe this and you are going to draw a rough picture that how Roy looks like, okay. After all this description, you are going to draw over here a picture of Roy. So children, this was the worksheet for your grammar, okay. Please complete it down and send the picture, take the picture, okay, and send it on my personal WhatsApp number so that it will be convenient for me to correct, okay children. So children, we have basically seen all 4 worksheets. Also brief description about both the nouns, that is common and proper noun, okay. So just children solve the worksheets and send the picture on my personal WhatsApp number so that I can correct it down. And in the like in online class, let us see about the writing skills and also sequencing a story. Okay children, thank you for listening and have a great day. Stay home, stay safe.